The objectives of ethical guidelines include protecting individuals' privacy rights and ensuring dash. Recognizing the importance of ethical guidelines is crucial to ensure fair and dash data analysis practices. A framework for data governance provides a structured approach to managing and protecting dash. The importance of governing data lies in ensuring data integrity, security, and dash. Principles of data governance outline the fundamental rules and guidelines for dash. Data privacy and security measures are necessary to safeguard sensitive dash. Project management involves overseeing dash to ensure their success. Dash is crucial for establishing a solid foundation for data management. Ethical standards for data analysis are essential for maintaining integrity and trust in dash. The objectives of ethical guidelines include protecting individuals' privacy rights and ensuring dash.